Connecting Cloudflare to Hostinger. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to connect Cloudflare to Hostinger. So let's get started. First, create a Cloudflare account. For this, visit Cloudflare's website and sign up for a free account. Then add your domain. For this, click Add Site, enter your domain name and continue with the setup process. Then update Nameservers on your domain provider's dashboard. Replace the current Nameservers with the two Cloudflare name servers provided during setup. Then save the changes to point your domain to Cloudflare. Once done, open DNS settings in Cloudflare. For this, select your domain in the Cloudflare dashboard and go to the DNS section. Now remove or delete any records that point to an old IP address. Then add a CNAME records for Hostinger at the following two CNAME records. First, enter the name, then content, and after that, proxy status. Remember that only add DNS. Then for record number 2, add its name, then content, and after that, proxy status. Go to the SSL or TLS tab and set the SSL mode to full. Then wait for propagation. Allow up to 24 hours for DNS changes to update. Once completed, your domain will be connected to Hostinger through Cloudflare. And that's all. That's how you will be able to connect your Cloudflare to Hostinger.